What to sell on Amazon? I'm Horace. Today is December the 14th, 2018. I'm actually at my regular job. You guys already know I'm a truck driver. It's kind of funny because I'm on my way to an Amazon warehouse, an FBA fulfillment center. That's kind of interesting. So, here we go. Okay guys, I just dropped the load off at the Amazon facility. I don't know if you could see over there, but you might be able to see the Amazon logo on the side of the warehouse. Might be a little difficult to see that, but anyway, what I wanted to talk real quick about was kind of the mindset as you approach this business. I mean, here's what I'm talking about. Okay, let's talk market. Okay, all of us that want to earn, we take our skills, our services, our wares to the market. And the way it works is simple. The market will give to you based on the value that you're bringing to the market. I mean, here I am today working as a truck driver. So I'm considered skilled labor. And so I get paid because I bring value to the market. I haul goods from point A to point B. And everyone who has a job is basically contributing to the marketplace. And it's kind of funny because here I am at an Amazon facility in my capacity as an employee given to the marketplace. And while I'm here, I'm checking my seller app to see how sales are doing. Now, when we talk about my sales on Amazon, well, Amazon, you have to understand, when you sell on Amazon, that's not your customer. That's Amazon's customer. Amazon is allowing you to provide for its customers. And so you are given an opportunity to make a profit, but it's up to you to price accordingly, to find the deals. They're not going to tell you exactly how to run your business. They open the market to you, and then you can enter it and do whatever you do with it. But if we want to compare me working as a truck driver and going into an Amazon business or fulfillment center versus me running my Amazon seller account, the difference is scalability. Okay, to scale up is the only way you're going to get more. When I work, okay, let me put it to you like this. When you're working as an employee, now you start talking about wages. How are wages figured? It's pretty simple. For the most part, wages are computed or compiled, or they come up with your wage based on how easy it would be to replace you, right? So if I'm skilled labor. I drive a tractor trailer, I drive a forklift, I drive a yard jockey. This is stuff, my employer has to think, well, how easy would it be to replace him? Okay, well, let's think about that. Number one, I have to be healthy enough to do the job. In other words, I have to pass a Department of Transportation physical every 2 years that ensures I'm healthy enough to do the job. Number two, I can't be a criminal. Number three, I have to pass a drug test. I need to be drug free, and so therefore I'm subjected to random testing, drug testing. Well, that just wiped out a whole swath of our population as soon as you say that you have to be drug free. And also, I have to be competent enough to drive an 80,000 pound piece of equipment around. So because I'm not easily replaced, I get paid a pretty decent wage. Okay, that's all fine and good. The difference is I can't scale. How could I scale myself? Okay, I'm an employee. There's only one of me. There's not 5 of me, 10 of me that can go around and drive truck for various trucking companies and compile our earnings, into a pot. I can't scale. So no matter what I'm getting paid, that's it. When it comes to Amazon, you can scale. And let me get a little deeper. Okay, here we are at an Amazon facility. When you're working Amazon FBA, you just took all of the people at this facility and you put them to work for you. Okay, everybody. This is a fulfillment center. So most of the work that's being done here is on your behalf. If you're an FBA type merchant, okay. Everybody, all these trucking companies you see here, including mine, the staff, the labor, everybody at all of these facilities across America are working for you. That's how you leverage. That's where the exponential growth can come in. Think about that the next time you're considering the 15% that Amazon takes out of your sales, because you might be thinking, man, that's a lot of money. But when you really stop and think about it, it's more than fair when you consider what you're getting. But it's up to you to take advantage of it. I'm working for you right now. If you're doing Amazon FBA, I'm a truck driver bringing in goods in and out of this facility and the other facilities for you. So put me to work for you. And we can go even deeper than that, because I'm working here, but I'm working to eventually get out of this work so you can put me to work for you as I work my way out of this work. So that's all I wanted to say. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave some comments. Let me know what you think about jobs, the market, FBA. What are your thoughts? Give this video a thumbs up, share it, and make sure you visit the free member site and get yourself signed up. If you're not already signed up, there's a free 12 module video course over there. We're constantly posting free leads to help you. Every day, every chance we get, we're posting something. At least every other day, usually, we're putting a free lead or 2 up for you guys. So go over there and check it out. You can go to onlineinternetprofits.com, or you can go to whattosellonamazon.com and get yourself signed up. It's totally free, always. I'm Horace with What to Sell on Amazon. I'm out.